People come in and out of these doors. This ain't no revolving door when it comes to my sobriety. You know, don't nothing come before my sobriety. My children, nothing, my job. And I'm going to tell you, I work at Motel 6. And I see all kind of drugs, alcohol, you name it, a sister said. And I have to stay grounded even at Motel 6. Now see, I'm going to tell you, some of my character defects ain't left, y'all. And I still be wanting to kick. I'm just keeping it real. But I ain't quite there yet. And I got to let people know, I ain't quite where you at. But I'm getting there. Sister is getting there. You know, it's an awesome feeling to see the change and to see my children see the change in their mama. Because today, y'all, I'm a mama, I'm a grandmother, I'm a sister to my brother. My brother ain't never have to see his sister stoned or excuse me, he ain't got to never see me stoned or messed up. My grandbabies ain't got to never see that no more. My son and my daughter, they ain't never got to see that, y'all. No. So it's only one day at a time I take this journey. I'm going to let y'all know right now, you got to have a desire. I have a passion. I ain't got no desire. I got a passion. You know, you're looking at a college degree person. I have a college degree.
All right.
You know, they told me all kind of dope things and everybody, we educated people. You're right, we very educated. But we can still be dumb.
All right.
You can have all the book sense in the world, but you ain't got no common sense. You ain't got jack. You ain't got nothing. So all the book sense I got in the world ain't got nothing. But I want to leave this one little thing with y'all. And I wrote this, and I read this thing to myself every day. And I hope that when I read this, somebody get something out of it. I titled this A Prayer of Hope and Strength. It says, Dear Lord, help me always live in your way so that I may continually find comfort in the center of your will, not mine. Dear Lord, help me to continually say yes to you. Help me not to be afraid to trust you and your will for my life. I want to experience everything you have for me. Dear Lord, I don't want to be a person who collapses every time something shakes me. I don't want anything to separate me from your presence and your love. Dear Lord, please show me where I am not living in obedience to you and help me do what I need to do. Because I don't want to miss your perfect will for my life. Finally, dear Lord, I thank you that you are my strength. I thank you that no matter what I go through, I ain't got to pick up no dope. I ain't got to pick up no bottle. I ain't got to steal. I ain't got to manipulate. A sister ain't got to do none of that no more. I will face the strength with you no matter what. I face it that given moment. I would know that you are much greater than all. Dear Lord, I'm grateful that you give me the knowledge and the strength I need to get to where I need to go. And then finally, of all times, Lord, I will praise you this day for your goodness, and I will praise you for who you are to me. Always your lost but now found child.